The clinical trial journey is how a medical intervention, such as a drug, device, or procedure, moves from an idea into patient care. The beginning of the journey starts with discovery science. In the lab, researchers use computers, cells, and animal models to answer basic questions like how does DNA work? And how do cells talk to each other? After a great deal of work, this effort is ready to be translated into clinical research. This is the first translational moment. As they move into Phase 1 clinical trials, researchers begin looking for answers with the help of volunteers. Here, researchers answer questions about safety and how well participants tolerate the medical intervention. These trials don't include many volunteers, and they are short, usually only a few months long. With information collected in Phase 1, they move to the next phase. In Phase 2 clinical trials, researchers ask, is what I'm studying effective for patients with this health condition? Are there any side effects? How does it compare to a placebo? Phase 2 trials are usually done with a medium-sized group of volunteers. The studies can last for several months to years. Now, the thing is, it is common for Phase 1 or 2 trials to dead end here. Funding disappears, results are inconclusive, the intervention fails. When that happens, researchers go back to the drawing board and try again. But when it does work, researchers go to Phase 3 clinical trials. In this phase, they set out to confirm the results of previous trials in a larger study. They ask questions like, how does it compare to other treatments? How effective is it with a lot more people? Phase 3 trials need years to complete. Beyond Phase 3, U.S. Food and Drug Administration approval is the next critical stage. The FDA reviews all the trial data, taking into account the intervention's intended use. It must decide if the benefits outweigh the risks. Once an intervention gets approval, it is ready to become a treatment for patients. FDA approval means the clinical trials journey has reached the second translational moment. The intervention is no longer a science experiment. But the journey doesn't end there. As it's used by more and more people, monitoring ensures the treatment is still safe and effective.